Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make loaded Reese's peanut butter cookies. It's a delicious peanut butter cookie dough stuffed with a Reese's peanut butter cup and topped with Reese's Pieces. If you love peanut butter, you're going to love these cookies. They're amazing. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a medium mixing bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt. Whisk them until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then into the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer if you don't have a stand mixer. Add in the softened butter, sugar, and brown sugar, and cream them on medium to high speed for a few minutes until light, pale, and fluffy. Then add in the peanut butter. You can use creamy or crunchy. Beat it in until it's combined. Scrape down the sides occasionally to ensure even mixing. Add in the eggs one at a time, beating well after adding each one. Add in the vanilla extract. Mix it in until combined. Add in the dry ingredients. Mix until almost combined. And if you like, add in some chopped peanuts for extra crunchy texture. And continue mixing just until combined. You don't want to overmix the cookie dough. Then mix it by hand to combine all the ingredients. Scoop out 2 tablespoons of the cookie dough. Add a miniature Reese's peanut butter cup and wrap the cookie dough around it. Dip the top of the cookie into some Reese's Pieces and place them onto an ungreased baking pan. And keep going until the pan is full. Space them out 1.5 to 2 inches apart to give them room to spread. And if you like, you can scoop 3 tablespoons of cookie dough and wrap it around a regular size peanut butter cup to make larger cookies. Bake them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're just starting to lightly brown around the edges. When they're done, remove them from the oven, and I like to bang the pan several times to flatten them down so they're not too puffy. Then let them cool on the pan for at least 2 minutes. Then transfer them to a cooling rack and let them cool a little longer. And you can serve them still warm or at room temperature. Keep in mind that they fall apart very easily if they're too warm. Then keep going until all the cookie dough is used up. Or you can store the leftover cookie dough in the freezer, and then you can have fresh baked cookies whenever you like. Just form the cookies just like before, and place them onto a pan, letting them touch each other so you can fit as much as possible on the pan. Cover them in plastic wrap. Freeze them for about an hour until frozen solid. Then transfer them to a Ziploc bag. Write the dates they were made, and baking instructions too if you like. And store them in the freezer for up to 6 months, and then you can bake them whenever you like. And that's how to make loaded Reese's peanut butter cookies. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos, and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.